Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We will explain how a common mistake can result into losing your brake. Stay with us. 95% of the people make that mistake. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys that do not know how often you should flush your brakes. 95% of the people do not know that you're even supposed to flush your brake fluid. Stay with us, we'll explain why it's super important and how if you don't do it on time guys, actually you can lose your brakes and that can lead to an accident or serious injury, even death. So stay with us, we'll explain how often you should flush your brake fluid. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We do anything from bodywork, engine, mechanical, transmissions, anything you can think of guys. Why we do that? To save you money. We will have more than probably 13,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check it out. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. If you need help with anything, just leave a comment below. That way we'll get an idea and we'll try to make a video as soon as we can. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a really good price, quick shipping for any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So brake fluid is really a different animal guys. Okay, brake fluid is something that most people never think that you're supposed to flush, but you need to guys, and we'll explain why. How often? Most manuals will say anywhere about 2 years, okay, you need to flush your brakes, but how often usually? It depends on driving styles, how hard you drive your car, how hot it is, how humid, where you live and all that stuff. Brake fluid has the ability to absorb water, like this one's been just open on a shelf. Okay, being open on a shelf guys. Okay, check this thing out, the quality of the brake fluid when we submerge that tester. Okay, that's very cheap tester. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. If you submerge it, you'll see the water content is over 4% maximum. So practically this one is shot guys. Now this Porsche right here, if we come, I want to show you as well. Here, if we submerge it guys in the brake fluid reservoir, check this thing out now. Again, we're at 4%, okay? And this one right here, we actually flushed the brakes a year ago guys on this one that we're building. And if we come right here, I open the brake fluid reservoir on that Dodge here, you will notice, okay, that, okay, let me open it, less than a year, and if I submerge it, I test it, it's at 1%, so pretty new guys. Okay, anything less than 3% is okay, above 3 it's dangerous. You wonder why? Because that means how many percent of water is dissolved in your brake fluid, and water guys has a boiling point of, let's say, 90 to 100 degrees Celsius depending on altitude. But brake fluid like the one that we use, that pentosine right here, let me show you quick, it has a boiling point of 265 guys, 265 degrees Celsius. Now if you use your brakes really hard, if you go downhill anywhere, and if you guys get them hot, the water will turn into vapor and your brakes will get soft and smushy. You may even lose your brakes or you may start developing brake pulsation. So that's why guys, okay, water dissolved in the brake fluid, it's super dangerous. How often you need to change it? We recommend to always check your service manual, but always check it as well. It could happen even before the date you're supposed to do it. Often you can go over the date, but you need to make sure that the tester is good, you test it and everything's fine. But I recommend to always stick to the manual. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.